definitely a little bit of a bummer, of course, that those students are stuck inside playing, but I'm glad it's still working out for them. And we've got a really nice couple of days ahead of us that they'll get to enjoy the outdoors and playing the music out on Church Street. So hang in there, a few more hours of this rain here. And as you can see, there's plenty of it on Storm Tracker. The Champlain Valley steadily seeing rain all day. And we've got some heavier pockets as you head towards the St. Lawrence County, Franklin County. I want to zoom in here, show you some of those heavier pockets that are falling right near the Champlain Valley. Morrisonville, Plattsburgh, stretching down towards Burlington, and then St. George, of course, getting some nice heavy rain there, as well as a little band of that making its way through Underhill, St. Albans, Ellenburg, and northern New York. It's been very consistent in those places all day. North Elba, probably some downpours falling for you guys, along with Mineville. And then you head towards Vermont, maybe a little bit lighter, but there's still some of those heavier pockets mixed in for places like Bristol. And you head a little bit further east, Berlin, getting some nice downpours there. And it's widespread heavy rain for parts of southern Vermont and stretching into parts of New Hampshire as well. So Walpole in New Hampshire, certainly seeing some of that heavy rain, along with Grafton. Places like Mount Holly, you're going to find some of that, and it's showing up here on our camera. Mount Holly, very, very damp here, has been again all day. As you can see, roads are probably a little slick on the slicker side, but certainly just be watching out and driving a little extra careful here. Our rain does slowly come to an end later on this evening. Again, just a few more hours of this. As you can see, the higher chance for that rain all the way through dinner time in the Champlain Valley. And from north to south, that will begin to clear out a little bit. So after dinner, through the overnight hours, we're expecting a nice dry up. And we have that to look forward to for the next couple of days. Here's the low. It's brought us that rain for the last couple of days. Sunday wasn't bad temperature-wise, but it was cloudy, so it's been several days since we've seen that sunshine. This low is falling apart, and as it moves south and dissipates, we're going to see that clearing from north to south as the day goes on. High pressure system takes over. This means dry air, and this means some nice relief from that rain that we've had, and it's also going to come along with a little bit of warm up. In the meantime, it is cool and damp still, 53 degrees in Burlington, light wind. That's the probably only good news we have going for us today. As you can see from Burlington over Lake Champlain, a lot of clouds, and that rain continues to fall. This is where we sit all day, so really not looking at much of a change temperature-wise, and of course that rain will continue all the way through dinner time in the Champlain Valley. Looking at another quarter or half inch of that rain all the way through tonight and into early tomorrow morning, with heavier bands that are going to drop maybe an inch or more on top of what we've already gotten for central and southern Vermont, and stretching up towards parts of Franklin and St. Lawrence counties in New York too. For Jazz Fest, yes, today, just like yesterday, more of those scattered showers, but they do become more and more scattered as the night goes on, as temperatures sit right in those mid-50s throughout the rest of the evening. They're going to start to thin out, and again, we've got drier weather on the way, so just hang in there all the way through tonight. There's that north to south clearing. Tomorrow, sunshine. Finally, Futurecast pretty blank all the way through Wednesday and into Thursday. It's looking really good around here, so make plans to get out and enjoy that, because not only is the sun coming out, low 70s. It's been a few days since we felt that. Low 70s, mid 70s Wednesday and Thursday, along with some of that sunshine. Scattered showers, I think they'll be much more scattered and more light in nature on Friday and Saturday than perhaps the last couple of days have been, so that's the good news. But it is going to be a little damp on Friday and Saturday. Might even find a little bit of thunder. Sunday and Monday, I think these are the days to look forward to. Back into the low and mid 80s. Monday, plenty of sunshine, and we could be flirting with 90 by then.